Now let's get into the stage 2. In this stage 2, we require all the equipment of bioflak tanks. First one is tarpaulin. Actually, there are two types of bioflak tank construction. One is tarpaulin and other one is cement. Tarpaulin is a mostly preferable because in cement tanks it is quite difficult to control water parameters compared with a tarpaulin. So I suggest to go for tarpaulin. In tarpaulin there are different types of tarpaulins. Based on your investment you can choose one. The general tarpaulin cost would be approximately 12k to 15k for 4 diameter with 10,000 liters. And then we need wire mesh for this strength of tanks. It costs 25 to 50 rupees per square feet. And also we need bricks, cement and all plumbing items. Then after we should have air blowers. There are many type of air blowers are there. I am going to give it on the screen. You can just have a check. Root blower, which is mostly preferable, and I suggest a root blower because for the larger farms, which is cost approximately 48k to 50k with the 3 HP blower. Capacity of the blower is 3 HP and the ring blower 1.5 HP capacity, and it cost approximately 25 to 30k. And the mini blower, the capacity of the mini blower is very less, so it is not suggested. If it is a small farm, then you can just go for the mini blower, which cost approximately 5 to 7k. And the fourth one is air pump. This is a small one which is approximately cost you around 9 to 10k. For aeration we should have a dip irrigation pipe for the large plants, and which is 16 mm. 100 meters cost you around 1.5k to 2k. For the small farms we can also use oxygen pipes, which is 4 mm. 50 meters cost you around 500 to 600. For the dip irrigation we should have aero tubes, which is very helpful for to increase a DO level in tank. Cost you around 1 meter 3 nozzles set. It cost you around 650 to 800. And for the small one we can use air stones, which is approximately you get 4 pieces, which cost you around 400 to 500. We should also require air controllers, that is up to stage 2.